Alright, so I've brought y'all in a little bit closer so we can start trying on all the stuff. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take the Champagne Scandal from the Nature Cartel. I'm going to use that as a base for my eyeshadow just so it can pop a little bit. So I'm just skipping a brush because when it comes to this stuff I kind of like using my finger. So let's just go in. Coat the eye with that. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this little shader brush that we got. I'm going to dip into the Violet Voss. I'm going to be dipping into this color right here. It's a nice neutral, oh, not the glitter. This one right here, there we go. Now I'm just going to be, you know, cutting out my crease and adding some definition. All right. And then we're gonna go with this color that's right next to the dark brown one, just to define that a little more. All right, that looks good. That's all nice and blended out. So now I'm gonna take what I'm assuming is this little packer brush, and we're going to dip into this dark brown right here. Get a little bit, ooh, that had some fallout. All right, let's just put that in the corner of our, like our outer corner, and draw it back out. Oh no. Either it's the brush, the shadow, or the fact that I used a cream shadow underneath. Oh, no, there it goes. It starts blending out now. There we go. It takes a lot more product to blend it, which is a downside for me. So now, let's go with this brush, which, no, that says concealer. Concealer is an eyeshadow brush. Let's go ahead and see if it will work. And we'll take this little gold shimmer right here. Up. It picked up. So let's go ahead and let's just pack this on the eyelid. Very cute. Okay. I'm not mad at that. I am not mad at that. So let's go ahead and now take our Duce Volumizing Mascara, excuse me, our Volumizing Punk Mascara. Get it right. So let's do our uppers and lowers. And like I said, I'm not going to be putting on any, you know, lashes or any other stuff. You know, I do have the lipstick over here I'm going to try out, but it is really close to my bedtime. Okay, so that's how that looks. I'm gonna go off camera real quick, and we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye as well, and then we'll be back for lips and then our final thoughts. Okay, so I finished up my other eye off camera, so now we're gonna go ahead and put on our lipstick that we got, and I will give you all our final thoughts. Okay, so did I find this box amazing? This month it really just didn't do anything for me. It still smells like this in my living room, and the lid's been on for a while. You know, I'm kind of tired with the whole neutrals thing, and you know, my colors are picked as like adventurous and things like that. You know, this palette, used it once and there's already some fallout. Look at her, look at that. I don't like that. And I was very delicate. And you know, this box just wasn't a big win for me. The thing that I liked the most was the face roller. And I'm really excited that I got that. I'm excited that I got more brushes. Everything else, you know, the fragrance was great, but everything else was pretty much a flop. I'm really hoping that IPSY, with March being their 100th bag that they're giving out, you know, I'm really hoping that they're coming out with some great things for it. You know, it did say online that if you are a subscriber by the end of February, you will be getting an extra item in any of your boxes. So if you subscribe to, you know, the $12, just the regular IPSY bag, you're going to get it all the way up into the ultimate. So if you are not an IPSY subscriber yet, you can definitely use my own personal link that's down in the description box below. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if no one has told you yet today, you're beautiful, you're wonderful, and you're loved. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.